Okay, so I'm on my third pair of shocks now. This is a Monroe ma803. Notice, first of all, the bottom area, it had a longer collar on it. I shaved those off to fit my bug a little bit better. This is a Gabriel hijacker. 49307. The reason I have this is because this will not go down. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. See, it's stuck right there. So my car won't go down. These are brand new, and it won't go down. So I have the other one already installed on the car, and that one operates fine. This is a Gabriel hijacker, and it goes all the way down. And it's hard to pull open, but that's the way it's supposed to be. It's a shock, right? They both go to 18 inches, giggity. And this one actually, when compressed, it almost looks like it might go lower. I don't know yet, but you can see the upper body of it is at least like 1.5 inches or so different. So this one fully extended goes to 18. This shock's fucked up. So I'm sending it back to Amazon. Hopefully they don't charge me, but this other one in here, that's a Monroe ma803. That's the one all the forums call for. It did fit, and it goes up and down. I had to just clearance just a tiny bit from the trailing arm, and then just put some washers here and there to make that go up and down without hitting anything weird. On this side, different story. I actually even cut out part of my beam. I'll fill that in later, and I had to clearance out quite a bit more of the trailing arm here, which you can't really see because lighting's bad, but I did all this work to my car, trimming and whatnot, to make that Monroe ma803 fit, and it does not fit. Or I mean, it fit, but it's faulty. And funny thing is, I was reading a different forum, and I was told that you should get the ma824. So actually, they're in here. Those are the ma824s. One funny story, you can see in the box, this one how much taller it is, and that one how much lower it is. This one won't compress either. So I've ordered 2 sets of Monroe shocks, and we're batting 500. Each pair has had one good, one bad. Currently with these Gabriel hijackers, I've only tried one, so let's find out if the second Gabriel hijacker, and I paid, after tax, we're in Washington, so 10.1%, I paid $70.45, which is about what the other ones were. They were 60, 70 bucks, whatever, I don't know, but so it appears the Gabriel hijackers from AutoZone are going to work great. We'll see if they fit. But right now, I'm wishing I would have gone to AutoZone before I went to Amazon. Anyway, Monroe 803, the ma803, they do fit a Volkswagen Bug. I've been trying to get them to fit. I would spend the money and get the shock relocators. But anyway, I clearanced out stuff so I don't have to. I'm going to get those later because it changes the geometry and you should be able to move better or not. But I'm going to see what these Gabriel hijackers do. And that's the difference between the two. Hopefully that helps somebody.